Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your iPhone model and iOS version, then grab the Apple camera connection kit or a certified Lightning/USB-C adapter. Once done, power on both devices and make sure the camera's SD card is accessible. Unlock any physical write protect switches. Plug the adapter into your iPhone, then insert the SD card or USB cable into the adapter. This first connection initializes communication. Once the import prompt appears, open the Photos app and tap Import. You'll see thumbnails from the connected card or camera. Make selective choices. Tap individual files to keep only what matters, or tap Import all to move everything at once. This is faster for large shoots. While importing, monitor progress bars and make sure the iPhone stays awake and powered. If battery is low, connect a charger. When transfers finish, choose to keep or delete originals based on your workflow. You finish by confirming the import completed, then tap Done and safely remove the adapter, unplugging early risks corrupted files. If the Photos import prompt never appears, reconnect the adapter, try a different cable or port, and restart your iPhone. This resolves most handshake issues. If files are missing or unreadable, power cycle the camera and re-export, or use a computer-based recovery tool as a last resort. Remember, using certified adapters reduces errors and preserves file integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.